Hello everybody, it's Paulie and I'm gonna make a mushroom and Swiss stuffed burger. I've got a couple handmade or hand-formed patties here, all about the same size. It's about 1 pound of 80/20 ground chuck, and to that I'm gonna add some sliced Jarlsberg Swiss. And I'm gonna add about nice 3 pieces there like so, and then I'm gonna put one on top of the other, and then we're gonna crimp the edges all the way around like so until we get everything sealed up and ready to go into our skillet here. But I'm gonna get it all straightened out and we'll get going here. We got to season it up also, salt and pepper on the outside. Alright, I've got my burger seasoned here on the top side, salt and cracked black pepper. I've got a heated stainless skillet here, and I'm going to go ahead and put it seasoned side down. We're going to have to let this go for about 6 minutes or so because it's so thick. And then we'll flip it and do the other side. And before I go anywhere, I'm going to season the top side here. Like so. Alright, it's been going for more like 7 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and flip it. Gorgeous. Look at that. So we'll do the other side about the same. Get a nice crust on the bottom side. Alright, our burger's done here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it from the pan. I'm going to put it in some foil and let it sit. You can see that. There it is. So we'll let that sit in foil and let it keep warm while I get my sauce done here. Mushrooms. Set that to the side. We've got our bits in here from the burger. We're going to go ahead and add to that our mushroom, and my mushroom I don't wash. I actually just wipe them off with a damp rag. That way they fry up nicely, and then they soak up the juices of the burger and stuff there. So we'll get these going. I'm going to add a little bit of water at this point to get the bits off of the bottom here. Just a little bit. So I added just a dash of water there to be able to scrape up the stuff off the bottom. And we'll let that just dissipate here with... Oh! One got away from me! So we'll let that dissipate here with the mushrooms. Let those reduce down here. I've still got it on medium-high heat. Okay, you see how that's cooking away there? I'm going to go ahead at this point, add some garlic, about a clove of garlic. And let that cook for about 45 seconds to a minute or so. Add some salt and pepper. We'll have to give this a taste here and see if we need to add anything. Okay, I tasted it. Tastes fine. Tastes great. Just enough seasoning. I'm going to add some cornstarch and water mixture just to thicken it up some. Like so. We'll go ahead and remove this from our heat. You see our mushrooms are ready to go. So we'll plate this up. Alright, I went ahead and took our burger out of the foil there. See some of the Swiss there starting to seep out of the side, but that's okay. We're going to eat this bad boy. But anyway, there's our mushrooms. Oh yeah. So good. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, I tell ya. Couple stragglers. But anyway, there you go. Mushroom and Swiss burger. Good. Cheers to great food. We'll see you here soon.